Today I'm going to show you how to clean Greasy kitchen. This kitchen has been not cleaned for 3 years. In this kitchen there was a lot of grease and food. Kitchen sink was full of smelly water. For the sink I have hailstones. It's like really tiny rocks. They are melting all the organic things like food, hair, stuff like that. After that, I washed the dishes there. There was also a lot of calcium. Calcium comes from the water and you remove with acid, like citric acid. Here I have a knife and there is dried butter, so I have to use scraper for that. For the sink, I use scrub mummy and dish brush. I'm always using Scrub Daddy because I think their sponges are the best ones, and I have tried many sponges. Usually if the sink is really dirty, I use always oven cleaner. I think that's the best product for grease stains. Oven cleaner's pH scale is like 12. Dish soap is like 7, it's neutral. But oven cleaner is highly alkaline product, so it's super effective for grease stains. There is a lot of dried and burnt food and a lot of grease. There I have added oven cleaner and then I'm brushing it with dish brush. Usually in the kitchen there is like a lot of grease and then grease collects like the dust. So it's grease and dust mixed. I think it's built up like that because the house owner never wipes it. People usually forget to clean on their kitchen the cabinets because it's a lot of work to get out the stuff and clean there. And the top shelf, there is a lot of grease and stuff like that. People usually clean what they see, like this area, but down there and up there, they forgot. Here I have countertop, I'm adding oven cleaner there. And then I have this brush, then I'm only brushing it. There I have coffee stains, and coffee is like grease. Coffee has oil on it, so that's why the oven cleaner works. Typically there is two kinds of stains, soft stains and hard stains. Soft stains are like grease, oil, sticky things. For the soft stains, you will need highly alkaline solutions, like oven cleaner or dishwasher detergent. And hard stains are like calcium, rust, things like that. And for the hard stains, you will need acid, like pH scale 1 or 2. Calcium stains are like white and hard, but grease and oil, they are like sticky. You will need to know which one stain you have. If I have calcium stains and you use it the strongest possible alkaline solution, it won't do nothing. It doesn't work. So that's why you need to know which one you have. Then you can choose your products. I clean only for free because people who can buy cleaning, they don't need it. I want to help those who cannot afford it. I help everybody that I'm able to. Sometimes people send me pictures from their home, but they are too clean. And too clean is boring. So if I see mess, I'm like, yes, I'm coming right away.